Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Brianna. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my backpack. I love these videos. I love seeing what's in other girls' purses, bag, book bag, whatever. And this is the bag that I am using. I love this bag. With that being said, this is a Beetlejuice bag. I did pick this up from where I picked this up, Hot Topic. So yeah, I picked this up from Hot Topic and I think I got it on sale. I don't remember the price, but yeah, I ended up getting it on sale and I love this bag. This is my baby. It says Beetlejuice at the top, then it has like the beetle right here, and at the bottom it says never trust the living. Let's dive into the bag. Let's dive into this part right here. But I got this ugly wallet from Dollar Tree. It's just a regular wallet. I think I showed you guys in my vlog because I needed a wallet because I almost lost my credit card, but it was in my car. Yeah, so that's my wallet. We have a receipt from Target. What I get? I got some chips, lemonade, a pizza, and some pie. I did go, what is this? Oh, Taco Bell. I got me a cheesy gordita crunch with sour cream. I got a number 10. You get like 2 tacos and a gordita crunch and a large lemonade. I love Taco Bell's lemonade, like their pink lemonade. I love it. Okay, so let's get into this right here. I have my toiletry bag. It's nothing really in here. I just have like some tampons in here. I got this bag from Dollar Tree. They probably still sell it. And like I said, I have tampons in here. Then I have my nasty toothbrush and my gel in here because I'm always laying my baby hairs down. Is my work schedule right here, and I don't know why that's in my bag. Oh, I forgot I had this. Okay, so I got this EOS coconut milk lip balm. I haven't had one of these in a long time, but my manager, she gave this to me because I guess I was doing an awesome job at work. So she gave me this. It was either a candy bar of this, so I picked this because I didn't want no candy at the moment. So yeah, I got that. I can put that in my little toiletry bag. I have my keys with my Marilyn keychain. I love Marilyn Monroe. I have some Germ X antibacterial hand wipes. So I got this Soap and Glory Spritz in the City instant cooling body spray, and this is the original pink scent. So the scent that you smell in the body butter, they got it in the spray. It smells so freaking good, y'all. But it don't last that long. Yeah, it smells good. I just have this in my purse because after I use the bathroom, I like to spray after me, so when the next person come in, it can smell nice and fresh. Aleve, which I probably should put in my toiletry bag, but I do have some Aleve. I have this Dove like hand cream. You can use this for your face and body. I'll just use this for my hands, and it smells like a man, but it has like a medicine smell to it as well. So I don't think I'll buy this again. I did buy 2 for my boyfriend, so I don't know if he like it or not, but I won't buy this again. I like the blue and white one, and I like the pink one as well. I have some gum. I usually just chew extra peppermint gum, or I would get the Orbit gum. Then I have e.l.f. Shine Eraser blotting sheets, and I think I have a backup, but y'all, my skin be so oily, like I don't understand. Like I just really don't understand. It looked like somebody took some baby oil and just was going to town on my face. Like I just don't understand. So the next thing I got is some Buffalo Wild Wings wipes. After you get done, you know, eating your wings, you need to wipe your hands. So I got those in there. I got my favorite lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Peach Bellini. They don't sell this shade inside the store, which is stupid, but I could have sworn I seen it at Ulta, but they don't sell this inside the store. So I do need to purchase this online, but as you guys can see, I've been using this all up, and I'm trying to use it up so I can rotate my lip glosses so I can use a new one. I'm not going to repurchase it. I'm just going to use something that I already have. Until my no buy is over, I will repurchase this. Then I have the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Yeah, so I have this, and I actually do like this. And you know, everybody hype up the Essence mascara, and I'm like, let me see what it's about. So I brought it last year. I think it was like around Christmas time or something like that, you know, when they had their little sales. So I picked it up, and yeah, I just wanted to see what the hype was about. So I picked it up, and it's pretty cool. I used it for like work. This is my favorite. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I love this so much. I have the one in the regular Vaseline. It comes in the blue tube, and then they have the pink one. Then I just recently seen that they have cocoa butter, and it comes in a brown tube. I gotta find that. You guys, if your lips are chapped, get you some of this, honey. This stuff is good. And I just put it on my lips. It's very moisturizing. So I do have that. I have some allergy medicine, right? Yeah, this is some Benadryl, some allergy medicine. I do have some Duo Lash Glue. So just in case my lashes want to act up, I got some glue. I have my car keys right here. I don't have that many keychains on here, and they probably most likely fell off. I have my car keys. I have my headphones in this cute little glittery black case that I got from Dollar Tree. They have all type of different colors, and I just put my headphones in here, so because it's very convenient and it's cute, so I just put it in there. This is really cute if you like travel or something. I have a mirror in here. I believe I got this from Dollar Tree as well. I think I either got it from Dollar Tree or Michael's. So yeah, got that. Just gold rhinestones. Some nail glue just in case these nails want to pop off. These nails are the Kiss nails. I do have a vlog showing you guys me putting these nails on, and I really like them. They're really cute and natural. So I do apply my nails with the super glue, and I just get this from Dollar Tree. This Nivea lip butter and cocoa butter, and I think I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. I get a lot of my stuff from the Dollar Tree. I didn't take all the stuff that I just showed you guys out, but that's everything. This book bag does not have like, girl, this book bag does not have like the little pockets. They kind of annoy me anyway, you know, like the little pockets that be on the side, like, so yeah, but that's everything that's in my book bag. And I did have my Vita Lip coconut oil in my bag. It was in there, but I don't know how it got in here, so I'm gonna just put it in my bag right now. And then I want to start using this Ruby Kisses hydrating lip therapy in cocoa butter. This feels so good on the lips. It's from Ruby Kisses. So, but that's everything that's in my Beetlejuice bag. I love my bag. I love Beetlejuice. If I could find a link for this, if you guys are interested, I will leave it down below. I believe they still sell it. I know they sell one with some bat wings, but I'm like, I don't want that. They like it's from Claire's. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out the rest of my other videos on my channel. And if you guys like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. So I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.